If you've ever switched phones or bounced between email accounts, you know the struggle of missing contacts. Today, I'll show you exactly how to sync or migrate your Outlook or Hotmail contacts onto any Android device, quick, clean, and updated for 2025. By the end, your phone and Outlook account will stay perfectly synced without you lifting a finger again. Let's start from the top. Open your browser and head to the Outlook login page on the Microsoft 365 site. Sign in with your Outlook or Hotmail account. And if you don't have one yet, you can create it in just a minute. But we'll keep moving for now. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your Outlook homepage, the central place for all your emails, contacts, and calendar events. Here, locate the small gear icon at the top. This opens your settings. Click it, and from the menu, select Account. Inside the Account section, you'll see several options that control your email and device connections. Look for mobile devices. This is where you manage your phone's sync settings. Selecting this option prepares your account for seamless contact syncing with Android. To complete the process, you'll want the Outlook app on your phone. Tap Get the Outlook app, or just grab it from the Google Play Store. The download is fast, and once installed, open the app and sign in with the same Outlook or Hotmail account you used earlier. That's it. Your contacts will now automatically start syncing to your Android device. Within moments, your Outlook and Hotmail contacts should appear right inside your phone's address book, ready whenever you need them. No manual transfers, no exporting, no headaches, and now your Android and Outlook stay connected effortlessly. Every new contact you add in Outlook will sync to your phone, and vice versa if you allow it. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and reliable tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.